So if you guys have a question in your mind that F Black smells like Lanvin de Lon, just wanna clear that question that it doesn't. So guys, stay tuned for full review of Lanvin de Lon. I'll catch you after this intro. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jahan. And on this channel, I make perfume reviews. So if you are interested in perfume reviews, so just hit that red button for new videos. So today on my channel, I'm going to review one of the most sensual fragrance in the market. So this fragrance was launched in 2009. And I believe that this fragrance is still one of the most sensual fragrance out there. So let's jump into notes. In top note, you will get cardamom. In mid notes, you will get lavender, cedar and bergamot. And in base notes, you will get caraway and vetiver. So guys, these are the notes which you will get in this fragrance, but most prominent notes in this fragrance are cardamom, lavender, cedar and caraway. And there's one note which is not that prominent, which is bergamot. I don't pick bergamot in this fragrance. So for me, I think there's no presence of bergamot in this fragrance. So guys, this is a linear fragrance. When it comes to smell, I'll share with you how this starts and how this fragrance smells. So I have already sprayed on my hand about 30 or 40 minutes ago. Now I'll spray on my another hand and I will share with you how this fragrance starts and how this fragrance smells. Atomizer of this fragrance works really well. Distribution is pretty good. So the moment I spray this fragrance starts with blast of alcohol. In few seconds, this blast of alcohol goes away and the real magic of this fragrance begins. So in start of this fragrance, cardamom and lavender note is really strong and really prominent. So the note of cardamom and caraway is making this fragrance warm and really sensual. So as the fragrance starts going toward dry down, so lavender note comes up and making this fragrance more powdery and dry. So as I mentioned earlier that I don't get bergamot note in this fragrance, but still this fragrance smells fresh and clean to me. So there are two more notes which are prominent in this fragrance, which are cedar and vetiver. But these two notes are not as strong as cardamom and lavender. So this fragrance is more on lavender and cardamom. So the moment you spray, you will get blast of cardamom, lavender and hint of woody notes. So if I talk about projection and performance, I would like to mention that if I'm spraying this fragrance on my skin, this perfume lasts for 3 to 4 hours. And if I'm spraying on my clothes, this perfume lasts for 5 to 6 hours. So if you are getting new batch, I will suggest you that try to spray on your clothes for better performance. So if I talk about weather for this fragrance, I would say this fragrance is not for hot weather. You can wear this fragrance in fall, even in spring or in winter. So this fragrance will work really good in fall and winter. So this fragrance is not for hot weather occasion. I would say this fragrance is really good option for dates, for close encounters, for indoor gathering. So if I talk about age group, I can say that this fragrance can be worn by anyone. So this fragrance is really easy to wear. So anyone can wear this fragrance and enjoy this fragrance. So in summary, I would like to say this fragrance is absolutely amazing and really good option for dates. And this fragrance is compliment getter. Even if it's not long lasting, but this fragrance is still compliment getter. So guys, this was my review on Lanvin de Lon. So if you haven't tried this one, I will suggest you that try this one and you will definitely love this fragrance. And I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.